you get wet in your Audi when it rains? Let me show you why. This is actually a moonroof. A sunroof would slide all the way back and go between the roof and the headliner. This is a two-door coupe. It only tilts up like so. It doesn't slide back. So I had to remove the whole glass. It wasn't too crazy, but kind of funky. But every sunroof vehicle has drains. Most people don't know. This gasket is what seals. It goes around up against the glass so that water and stuff doesn't get into the vehicle. You have a drain here. You have a drain there. Notice, you see this little dusty spot right here? That's where the little dirty water was settling and then it drained out. So there's one there, one here. As a technician, what you do is you take a little bottle of water and you pour and see if it drains out, and it runs out onto the floor, usually by the A pillar there. And then this one would run out and forward out onto the floor by the back tire there. Let's check the other side. Bam! We're on the other side. So here's the next drain. So one in each corner. So here's the next drain. And then look at... Yo, let me tell you. You see that right there? So that clog up. And then notice something else now. All right. Look at all of the rubber gaskets, right? Look at... Pay attention. You see that? Black rubber. All the way. And then notice that. You see that? You see how it have like dusty, dirty water there? Means that the water level was this high. You don't want the water level to be sitting on the gasket because eventually it will seep past and then into the car and give you a watermark on your headliner. See that watermark there? See that? That's where the moisture got into the vehicle and was dripping. Let's pour a little water there, do a little test. I would think that's working. Let's look on the floor. Yep. See that? That one is working. Let's check this one. I would say that's working. Let's look on the floor. Working. Let's check the other side. I would say that's working. Let's look on the floor. Yep. That one working too. Let's check the one in the front. Well, there really is nothing there to check. Wow. You see that? Yeah, that clog up. Let us effect the repair. Look at that. A simple, what is that? Like a piece of trash or something. Check it now. See that? See that? That is how it's supposed to work. You understand? So we can't just leave this thing dirty. We have to clean up this area a little bit. You know what I mean? So just break out the brush, little bit of water and check it out. Nice.